We talk football SA. Siyaqhubeka. Mfowethu. Bengisabuza ukuthi lana eSouth Africa coach bama free kick asibaqashi.
Yeah.
Yini indaba?
Ngizibuza the same question because I was inspired mangibuka the documentary Pirates when they say ukuthi they hire these specialists ukuthi assist forwards the Pirates and we see indlela urela improve ngayo in terms of ukuthatha ama free kick score goals the confidence Pirates benayo abo police going forward and Pirates end up to be the highest scoring team in Africa. So I think as a country we supposed to sit down ukuthi we don't have strikers and players are expensive. We need to try maybe if we don't get specialists outside the country. I see Omajoro Bane we need Abombe Suma maybe to try to assist us or we get a specialist from outside the country to assist us because even with the Chiefs Sundowns our defensive organization was good but I believe if coach abafana no Gavin igame if uyivale so uyakwazi uyibulala ngeset piece then I close and I was also frustrated ukuthi today I Mangfika Stadium the stadium was not sold out on Thursday. I listened to the press conference stadium management saying ukuthi 32 tickets are sold. A game that is been over 40 to 50 years playing because these teams are old. So this game is supposed to be closer to Soweto Derby in terms of standard. I was not impressed the way they marketed the game. I researched ukuthi ngubani marketing director eSundowns. I see is Banman Pili. So ngiyakule point yokuthi some of the things I don't understand why it's not happening because the Sundowns got money. They're supposed to put more resources to market their brand. Because the Sundowns are cool in terms of fan base, but here cooler in terms of umsebenzi. And it's the number one team in the country. So we need to put Sundowns supposed to be in all provinces in Esdozai. I suppose in Esdozai in all provinces. When you go to Sundowns to visit like in Naturena village, you're supposed to be inspired because Sundowns the money they have. They're buying a player so they buy players 60 million. So some of the resources Melo Usebense to do something else. They suppose teams they PSL to plan to build stadiums. The Chiefs and Pirates and Sundowns they supposed to build the stadium. The Chiefs can't continue ukuthi dominate the opponents FNP. FNP is too big. They can't suffocate a team. They're supposed to build stadiums up. Not now. I'm talking about maybe next 5 to 10 years. But the Sundowns supposed to start planning to build the stadium. So I'm talking point why the teams they don't implement some other stuff. So sometimes you ask yourself questions. It teams maybe they are controlled by PSL. But to implement maybe there are some things behind the scenes. When you can't do a stadium, you can't do indoor team because you're not supposed to. You see your team is failing. Why you don't implement something that you can see in a seven? And if now you have resources, these big three teams they have money. They're supposed to implement some things that will assist league because the league and they are trendsetters. They're supposed to run forward to with these things. But let's give season a chance. Because it's still the third game for the season. Let's hope teams will improve. But we are expecting a good football this season. But for now, I don't think the team's ready. I think Sundowns now maybe emotional. I call it because we know what happened. Kubo and they didn't enjoy pre-season. Maybe now Babako ready. And the Kaizer Chiefs, we know Kuti team that is a build. Let's hope for the best for the season. We want a competitive Kaizer Chiefs as a competitor with Sundowns and Pirates. Let's hope because even last season it was not a bad season. But and I believe in our coach. I like coach Okabangayo. Sometimes you see what situation so you don't have left backs because Udoti Marco Ushinga balimele bonke but mayikwazi ukucabanga ukuthi I have a problem bayeza umudao
Bathi
bayeza
sihlanganise kanjani?
yahlanganise kanjani
Yeah.
then akwazi uphuma
Yeah.
naye akakho perfect is a human being.
engezi ngekhaya
Yeah,
engezi ngobuso.
yeah.
Yeah.
So no, he is a promising coach.
Yes.
Let's hope. And I like the team working. Kuma players.
Yeah.
If they don't have a ball, all of them they are willing to work.
Yes,
Abondlovu,
yes,
abomthetho. But the only thing that maba improve kuyo ukudlala.
Yeah.
I don't think they are confident
Yeah,
enough.
sharing
Yeah,
of the ball.
they need to avail themselves
Yes.
with
confidence.
with confidence. But zizinto sizo improve kuzo even in the last final third. And also we need ukuba patient with umfana Phili. Singamfakeli, we know what happened kuma players abontshangase nabo
Yeah.
Philiathi ebesiwafakela pressure. Sometimes ngiyesaba because he is the only player that I think izoscare going forwards.
Yeah.
So let's hope ukuthi asizomfakela pressure umfana, sizom-understand but there are some games angazoperforma kuzo inkulu le club.
Yeah.
Yabo, I understand nokumkhupha kwakhe
Yes.
in 65 minutes ukuthi umfana is not used kule intensity.
Yeah.
Yabo, is coming from Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Is not used kwi-game of this magnitude. Maybe in terms of if fitness is not there because udlale in 90 minutes. You remember the last game he played in 90 minutes and we played 3 games in a space of maybe 7 days. So I think Chiefs did well because he lose one, Satrosha one, Sawina
win.
one. So at least it's not bad for a side efana
No,
neKaizer Chiefs.
iqiniso. No, mfowethu siyabonga.
Okay, siyabonga.
Siyabonga, mfowethu.
Okay.